Hello, welcome to the demonstration of vRealize Orchestrator plugin for Dell EMC PowerMax. A plugin for vRealize Orchestrator is installed in the vRealize Orchestrator Control Center. Within the Control Center, there's a Manage Plugins icon. Selecting that, we would browse to our plugin, which is a vMO app file, and install it. And once installed, it will become available here in the list as the PowerMax one is. After installation, all the workflows will be available in the vRealize Orchestrator client. This particular plugin has a folder called Dell EMC PowerMax, and under it are all the workflows that are available to execute. Now, to execute the workflows, we need to first add a storage management server, which is a Unisphere REST API server. And within that Unisphere environment, we will have access to any storage arrays that it sees. So we want to choose one of the PowerMax arrays to add. So here we'll select the management server we just configured and select one of the storage systems, in this case, the one ending in 359. With that task complete, we are then able to run our more complex workflows. We're going to provision a VMFS data store down to our vSphere environment. So here we want to pick the cluster that is in the vCenter, give it a data store name and a size, and then we're going to give it the storage group on the PowerMax. That will present it down to the environment. So here the log information shows us all the steps it's taking, and then finally it will show us that it has successfully created the DTW demo DS data store. And if we go into the vSphere client, here we can see it available to us. Okay, now let's look at how we can integrate the vRO plugin with vRealize Automation. So we want to log into the vRealize Automation console. And here what we'll do is we're going to create a blueprint against one of the vRO plugin workflows, which will allow us to create a catalog item. So we're going to navigate to the workflow that creates a snapshot against our VMFS data store. So we navigate to anything as a service blueprints. When we add a blueprint, it'll allow us to go through the tree down into the folder we saw in the vRealize Orchestrator client, except here we're going to select Create Snapshot for VMFS data store. Now we're going to select all the defaults and just click through the screens because all these values are going to be added when we request the catalog item. We will give it a category. In this case, we're going to choose anything as a service, though you could choose any category you wish. Now we need to publish the blueprint so that it becomes available as a catalog item. Let's navigate over to the catalogs. And here we'll see Create Snapshot for VMFS Data Store. We can request that. And now put in the information we did not fill in during the creation of the blueprint. We want to give it a vCenter and the cluster where we provisioned that data store to. Scroll down, we find the data store DTW demo DS. And we select our storage group, and then we're going to give the snapshot a name so we can find it easily. We'll request this, and you can watch the progress. When it completes, let's go into Unisphere and actually find the snapshot. So we've highlighted the storage group here, and you can see it has one snapshot, and we click on that, and we see the name of our snapshot we created, DTW snapshot. And that ends our demonstration. Thank you.